Just like everything in life, cleaning is all about consistency and system, and only with consistency and system will you be able to produce a predictable result. Hi, Andy here. We are the pneumatic muscle distributor in Malaysia, and today we're going to run through the top 4 reasons why you should need an auto scrubber, walk-behind auto scrubber, or scrubber dryer. Have you seen this kind of machine being driven or pushed around in a mall, factory, warehouse, or even some on the road? So after this video, you will know why cleaning service providers are obsessed with this type of machine, and maybe you might need one too. Reason number 1, easier, quicker, and more hygienic. The biggest reason of all, using a floor scrubber is that it is far superior compared to using a mop and bucket. I know some always are the best, but definitely not in this case. Why? Wet mopping means exactly what it says. It is hard and is long labor hour. The floor is left wet for a period of time after mopping. Now this is when all the slipping and tripping hazard happens. This is not the worst part. The worst part about wet mopping, especially with the COVID situation, is mopping can spread dirt and germs around the floor, and dirty water is reapplied from the bucket. So while the floor might look clean, it probably isn't as hygienically clean as our eyes tell us. Now this is where a scrubber dryer shines. A scrubber dryer can clean twice the area in the same amount of time, wetting the floor, removing the dirt, and drying the floor in one pass. Yes, just one pass. So it is possible for the business activity to continue while cleaning is being carried out instead of closing the entire section. Reason number 2, the most effective cleaning machine for hard floor. No doubt there are other ways to clean the floor. For example, you could use a pressure washer in some situation. However, if you leave the floor even wetter than manual mopping, it creates more safety hazard, longer downtime, and it uses more water because the floor area cannot be used or walk around until it is fully dried out. Or in factories, for example, where machinery and wall needs pressure washing to keep them clean, a scrubber dryer can be used to clean and mop up the excessive water caused by the pressure washer, keeping the downtime to minimum. Depending on the type of dirt, you may need to scrub using brush or pad, and there are some machines available in different sizes, or scrub and dry in one go. Reason number 3, scrubber dryers are eco-friendly. Today's advanced scrubbing machine offer a more flexible approach to floor cleaning, where operator has control over the amount of water or chemical being used. For example, some high traffic area would require more intensive cleaning than a light traffic area. Instead of applying a uniform one-size-fits-all cleaning solution to the surface, an operator can set the floor scrubber to clean with less and more solution, or no solution at all, as well as using less water. An optimized scrubber dryer also provides optimized solution dispersion so that the scrubber dryers remain light and nimble without having carry a large solution tank and disperse the solution unevenly. This enables the floor to be clean using less detergent and water, which is certainly kinder to the environment and cost saving in long term. Reason number 4, options to suit your needs. There is a wide variety of floor scrubber in the market, with sizes ranging from a small floor scrubber that looks like an upright vacuum cleaner, medium size that require a little push, or a ride-on machine weighing little over 1500 kilo. Now within those scrubber dryers, they are model designed for different cleaning application, floor area, etc. Scrubber dryers can be powered from main electricity or powered by rechargeable batteries for greater maneuverability. The brushes deck can either use pad or brush depending on the floor type of that area. The only thing for battery-operated scrubber dryer is how long or how fast the batteries can be recharged. Is there any fast charge function? If the recharge time requires 2 hours, can you have another set of batteries to stand by to swap it in so that you can continue the cleaning without having to wait? If yes, how much is a set of battery, and how fast and how easy you can change them? Those are the things that you should be aware of when deciding one. I mean, not just from the spec sheet or the price from the quotation. Just like everything in life, cleaning is all about consistency and system, and only with consistency and system will you be able to produce a predictable result. Alright, that is all. Hope you get some insight of this. And if you're looking for a scrubber dryer that is easy to use even under high traffic area without having to close up entire section while operating, I'll put the link down. Give us a follow if you're on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay clean and take care.